Now we talk say we stand for Southern president. How many of our people stand for talk about? Me, I did PDP. When we become this state, na me give am everything, logistics, everything na me do am. Na me do am. No be some of una no know sometimes they come tell una story social media and I believe. Na me do am. E get one man come do campaign here. I say no, come, him come. Him come. You know, I did for G governors forum. I believe in integrity group. All of us we agree, we meet, we talk, say look, the only thing what we not go do, we not go allow power to still remain one place. The power must come to the south. For me, for this election what they do, no be as far as I'm concerned, now be my hero. You know why? Nobody not clap hand. Nobody not clap hand. I don't want people to clap hand at all. Let me tell you, if we do not run this election, power will go back to the north. And they challenge anybody. If we did not run this election, as I talk here today, power will go back to the north. The whole of the south and southeast, where those who fail, that is the PDP states. Not be so. Not be so. If we do not run, they for win those states. Yeah, some one of us don't settle down. Most of the people waiting for back here. They never born at that time. Somebody want to come bring problem amongst us. Some people don't stay.